Hello, Brother Tommy. It's Thursday, March 8th. Just want to give you a quick update of what's happening in the Science Technology Research Center. I'm standing here now on the third floor of the MultiPurpose Space, which is about 11,000 square feet. This space will allow us to continue and develop further our lecture series programs. We've partnered with a couple of science and research companies on Long Island, and they've been presenting a series of lectures to our students in the Science Club and in the Science Research Program here as well. And this space up here will allow us to do that in a newer and even better environment, and to allow us to grow those presentations as well. So we're very excited about this program here. We're very excited about this space on the third floor, and of course this space will be wonderful to use for various alumni events, parents' club cocktail parties. One last thing, if you notice the ceiling above me, it's called an undulating ceiling. It's a one-of-a-kind construction. It's meant to reflect the sound waves or ocean waves, depending on how you want to look at it. So that's it for this week's update. I'll update you again next week. No more snow.